So phase 2 of the Bel Air build just arrived today. It's Saturday, 20th of July, 2024. And this is the complete Ride Tech coilover system for the Bel Air. We've got the new 6.2 LS in it with a bunch of horsepower, but it still has the original suspension short of a couple lowering springs. So this will bring it up to speed to new specs. It'll get rid of the springs in the back, give us the ability to put some a little bit more meat in the back. I've got a brand new Curry Ford 9-inch here, and new axles, got new brakes on the way, have a third member with a 350 posi, and I think that's going to liven it up a whole bunch because it's currently got a 256 rear end in it. And it's actually got a little pep with this motor, so I think it's going to come to life in a huge way when we slap on this new suspension and get the new rear end under it. And once we do all that, then we'll figure out what we're going to do tire and wheel wise. I got a couple ideas, but honestly I'm struggling. I kind of like the sleeper idea of going with just Steelies, but there's also a few billet specialty wheels that I really like too, but that'll give it more of a resto mod feel. And I think I want to go sleeperish. So we'll have to wait and see, but everything's here, which is very cool. Looks like strong arms, which is one of the items that kind of pushed me over to going with the coilovers as opposed to their street grip. Was the coilover kit includes new upper and lower strong arms, which does not come with the others. So that's pretty cool. Nicely packaged. Good looking stuff. Hardware kit. Oh yeah, those are nice. Beefy, good looking, disgustingly nice welds. Clearly something I didn't weld. This is the coil over kit. This says 55 to 57 GM B-body coilover installation instructions. Yep. These are awesome. These are those adjustable coilover shocks. Probably call it something else, but 1,000,000-mile warranty, or I think it's 1,000,001-mile warranty. Always double and triple check. If you've done any kind of project before, you've probably done what I've done. You think you have everything out of the box and you don't. And when it's time to start building it, you can't find some little pieces, and then they wind up being in a box that you. This one had some weight to it. Super, super impressive finishes on everything. Quality. This is the 55 to 57 GM B-body rear bolt-in 4-link. All right, again, everything says Ride Tech, great coating, good looking stuff. Have to paint that. I'm sure that this looks like just probably is welding onto the rear end. That's why it's raw, because we got to weld it on. I will not be welding it. I will have one of the usual suspects who's actually really good at welding, weld it. And that's it. So, all right, so what I've got is here. I'll get it all laid out on the table, and we'll go from there. It's kind of exciting to see everything now. Here's a look at everything that we've received so far, which is the bulk of it. Again, the quality of everything looks just really, really fantastic. Been very pleased with that just upon its initial opening and glancing at things. I love seeing the RideTech logos in there everywhere. Looks like good quality stuff. Excited to start this project and get these things on and see how this thing ends up once it's all completed. Here's the Curry 9-inch housing, part of the brake for the rear. Here's the nodular center section with 350 posi, and the 31 spline axles are down there and sitting there ready to go. Still waiting on some brake stuff. Got one back ordered part from RideTech, but we're really close. So pretty exciting to see it all here.